180-day challenge, Team Hatzi, and it was the end of the competition. I only received 5 results that day, only 5 entries, and I was disappointed. I wasn't disappointed in you, Team Hatzi. I was disappointed in myself for setting a competition with not enough followers. So I set a call of action to you, Team Hatzi, and the results, when I went to bed that night, oh my god, find out. Hatzi, we've just hit 61 followers. And Team Hatzi, I just want to tell you how this has all happened. It first started off when I was just a young boy and I was wondering what is happening with the world and why is there global warming. Fast forward a couple years later and I realized that the number 1 biggest cause of global warming is actually the fashion industry. It was day 30, Team Hatzi. What an achievement. Day 30. We're going so far, Team Hatzi. And on day 30, Team Hatzi, I set out to contact my suppliers so I could get us some samples so we could get Team Hatzi started. There was a big problem, Team Hatzi. It was their day off. They weren't even working. I tried ringing them and it just went to voicemail, Team Hatzi. And I was like, what the hell? And then I was like, what can I do now? I set out day to day to ring my suppliers and organize some samples. So what was I gonna do? So I went to bed that night thinking, wow, Team Hatzi, I think I wasted today. Team Hatzi, you won't believe it. I've got a guest. It's Sandra's brother who wants to say a few words.
Hi, I'm Sanya's brother. I mean, Sandra. Forgot her name. Anyway, I want you guys to subscribe to Team Hatzi. Follow the Team Hatzi movement. We are the best branding logos in the world. We're gonna go to the top. So subscribe and help him out. Let's go.
It was day 31, Team Hatzi, and after yesterday's disappointment, guys, I set out to ring the suppliers straight away. But then I suddenly realized, Team Hatzi, that if I ring them, what would they say? Hey buddy, what designs would you like? And what designs are you thinking of doing? And I'd be like, I don't have any designs. And then I'd have to hang up and I have to wait till tomorrow. So Team Hatzi, I decided to make 3 designs and get you guys to pick the best one. So I'm going to tell you my 3 best designs that I came up with. So design number 1, Team Hatzi. We've got the front here and we've got the Hatzi logo at the crest. Amazing stuff, guys. We've also got the back, we've got the Hatzi logo, and we've also got the Be Your Best. This is a great design, very simple and very, very nice. Let's go to design 2. Design 2, we've got the front here. You can see I've also kept the Hatzi symbol here, because the Hatzi symbol looks amazing on that side. And then we've got the Be Your Best on the arm. So remember, guys, from last video, what time is it? Be your best. Time to be your best. Alright guys, enough of that be your best talk. Let's go to the back. Back has the journey symbol. It reminds you guys, the journey is long, but you always get there. We've also got, you can see the be your best on the arm, just to show you where it'd be when you're facing the back. So let's go on to design 3, Team Hatzi. Design 3. Just wait, I'm looking for design 3, guys. I'm searching for design 3. I found it, Team Hatzi. I found design 3. So the design 3, we've got the front, and I checked it up a bit, Team Hatzi. I put the Journey logo at the crest to see what it looked like, and it actually looks quite nice. And then also on the arm, I put the Be Your Best. So when you're like, what time is it? Time to be your best, Team Hatzi. Also, guys, on the back, I've just got the simple Hatzi logo, just so people know that you're wearing a Hatzi jumper. And Team Hatzi also, I just put in perspective again on the arm, be your best. So those were my designs, and the winner was Design 2. This is what Team Hatzi had picked together. It was day 32, Team Hatzi, and we had a design, and I wanted to get back to work and start making up a mock-up of the design in real life, so we could see what it looked like when you guys are wearing it. I went on my phone and did some crazy research, and then I made it, and this is what it looked like. So as you can see, it looked pretty good, but there were some things that were a bit off and a bit icky about it. So I asked you, Team Hatzi, on my Instagram, which you guys should be following because I'm putting daily updates on there, I asked you, what can we improve about the first ever Hatzi hoodie? The results were pouring in, Team Hatzi, and I wanted to wait a couple of days so we could resolve this minor issue. It was day 33, Team Hatzi, and it was time, Team Hatzi, to ring the suppliers. I hopped on my phone and rang the first supplier. Hello? Hello? I would like to get some printed Hatzi samples. Oh, you want to get some Hatzi samples? Nah, mate, you can't get it over the phone. Gotta send us an email. Yeah, cuz, yeah, it's okay. I'll sort you out, bro. Send me an email. Okay, bye. So then, Team Hatzi, I decided to ring Supplier 2. Hello? Hello, this is Supplier 2. I would like to get some samples. Oh, you want Hatzi samples? Oh no, you can't do it over the phone. You gotta send us an email. Yeah, you gotta do that. I'll sort you out. Okay, bye. After this, Team Hatzi, I decided to ring Supplier 3. Hello? Hello, this is John from KFC. How can I help you? I would like to get some samples. Hatzi samples? No, we don't sell Hatzi samples. We only sell Zinger Box, all that good stuff like Pepsi or Cola, whatever they call it. It's really good. Okay, also I want to tell you, I love Team Hatzi and you guys should love Team Hatzi too. So subscribe now, Team Hatzi, and join the Hatzi movement. Because if you're not subscribed, the KFC boys will get you. Hello? Hello, this is the third supplier. I would like to get some samples. No, sorry, we actually do not do this over the phone. No, you have to send us an email with all your details and all that. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. I look forward to seeing from your email. After reading them all, it turned out that I had to actually email them with a list of what I actually wanted. So then, Team Hatzi, you know what I did? Team Hatzi, I hopped on my laptop and I contacted those suppliers. I sent them an email with everything that they needed to know about making the first ever Team Hatzi hoodie. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll be painting my laptop, this one right here, again, and I'll be painting it with the Hatzi logo. So smash that like button and let's get 100 likes. And I decided to finally check, see what you guys did not like about the Hatzi design. And I was surprised. The results I got was this. Jake Star said he wanted a different color text for the Hatzi logo design. Chrissy Boy said maybe the Be Your Best logo, the sleeve could be in a different font. I agree with that, and a lot of people have said this already. Oliver Louisi said make sure it isn't trash and expensive and that it's a good print and not the ones that fall off. Hatzi will be the best quality clothing there is, I assure you that. Francis Tran said maybe play around with the Be Your Best font. I agree. After checking these results, I found out the number one biggest thing that you do not like about the Hatzi hoodie is on the side, the Be Your Best font. You want it to be changed. So that's what I set out to do on this day. So Team Hatzi came up with 5 designs and I put them on my Instagram so you could decide which ones that you like the best. The results have not come in, Team Hatzi, because I only posted it a couple hours ago, Team Hatzi. So if you haven't already, hop on my Instagram, I'll put it down below. Tell me which one you like the best. And remember, Team Hatzi, to be your best.